In this video, let's talk about the magic of ginger and honey paste. A combination that's been a staple in natural healing for centuries. This isn't just your average home remedy. It's a powerhouse of health benefits wrapped up in two simple ingredients. And the best part, it actually works. Hello everyone, welcome back. Why ginger? Why honey? And what makes them so special together? First, we've got ginger. The fiery root that's been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years. When you bite into fresh ginger, you get that spicy kick. That's because of a compound called gingerol. And gingerol, that stuff is magic. It's what gives ginger its incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Have you ever had an upset stomach, nausea, or motion sickness? Ginger works like a charm. It relaxes the digestive tract, reduces bloating, and even helps your body break down food faster. That's why ginger tea is a go-to for stomach issues. But ginger doesn't stop there. It's also fantastic for pain relief. Whether it's muscle soreness after a workout, arthritis pain, or even menstrual cramps, ginger helps reduce inflammation without the side effects of painkillers. Now, let's talk about honey. Not just any honey. The raw, unfiltered kind that's packed with enzymes, antioxidants, and natural antibacterial properties. People have been using honey as medicine since ancient times, and for good reason. First off, honey is a natural cough suppressant. That's why you see it in so many herbal syrups. It coats the throat, soothes irritation, and actually fights off infections. If you've ever had a sore throat and tried honey tea, you know exactly what I mean. But honey is also a natural energy booster. Unlike refined sugar, honey is full of nutrients and doesn't spike your blood sugar the same way. It gives you steady natural energy. Perfect for a midday boost without the caffeine crash. And let's not forget about honey's skin benefits. Applied topically, it can heal wounds, fight acne, and keep your skin glowing. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Ginger and honey are amazing on their own, but together, they amplify each other's benefits. This combo is like a shield against colds, flu, and infections. The antibacterial properties of honey combined with the anti-inflammatory power of ginger help fight off viruses and strengthen your immune system. Ever feel congested? A spoonful of ginger and honey paste works wonders in clearing up mucus, opening up the airways, and making breathing easier. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol and shogal, which help break down mucus, reduce airway inflammation, and promote better lung function. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties help relax the muscles in the respiratory tract, making it especially beneficial for those with asthma or allergies. Honey, on the other hand, acts as a natural expectorant, soothing irritated throat tissues and loosening stubborn mucus buildup. Its antimicrobial properties help fight off respiratory infections that can worsen congestion, while its thick texture coats the throat, reducing coughing and irritation. Together, ginger and honey create a powerful, natural decongestant that provides relief from common colds, sinus congestion, and even seasonal allergies. Whether you're dealing with a stuffy nose or a persistent cough, this simple remedy can help you breathe easier and feel better in no time. If you're enjoying this content, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Leave a comment and help us reach as many people as possible. If you're trying to maintain a healthy weight, this paste can help boost metabolism. Ginger speeds up digestion and burns fat, while honey keeps cravings in check. Together, they make a perfect pre-workout boost or morning detox. Ginger helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol, while honey reduces oxidative stress. A daily spoonful of ginger and honey paste can actually support a healthy heart. Making it is super simple. Take fresh ginger, peel it, and grind it into a paste. Mix in raw honey until you get a smooth consistency. Store it in a glass jar and keep it in a cool place. That's it. Take a spoonful every morning or mix it into warm water for an easy, natural health boost. Ginger and honey are a testament to the healing power of nature. Used for centuries in traditional medicine, this potent combination offers a wide range of health benefits. From soothing a sore throat to easing digestive discomfort, reducing inflammation, and even enhancing skin health, the synergy between these two ingredients makes them a powerful natural medicine. Ginger's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help the body combat chronic diseases, reduce pain, and support a healthy immune system. Meanwhile, honey, packed with enzymes, vitamins, and antimicrobial properties, works to heal wounds, fight infections, and provide sustained energy without harmful sugar spikes. Together, they create a natural remedy that is easy to incorporate into daily life, whether as a morning health tonic, a soothing tea, or a topical treatment for the skin. In a world where artificial additives and processed foods dominate, turning to simple, natural remedies like ginger and honey can be a game changer. They not only provide effective relief for common ailments but also contribute to long-term well-being. Scientific research continues to back what ancient traditions have long known: nature provides some of the best medicine available. So, the next time you feel fatigued, under the weather, or in need of a health boost, consider reaching for a spoonful of ginger and honey. Whether you are looking to support digestion, strengthen immunity, or simply enjoy a warm, nourishing beverage, this timeless duo has you covered. Simple, natural, and backed by science, ginger and honey truly stand the test of time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and insights. Thank you for watching.